Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and today our topic is boost your motivation to walk, simple strategies for success. We've been walking since 2017. We started as a way to deal with a very stressful situation I was in, and we've just absolutely fallen in love with walking, and we do a lot of it. We have some experience in staying motivated, and we want to share those ideas with you today. So, are you struggling to be motivated to walk? Are you walking? Is it something that you feel might be beneficial for you? Walking is one of the most popular fitness activities in the world, and most of us already have many years experience in walking. The motivation is the challenge. So today we want to talk and teach about some practical strategies to stay on track and enjoy the numerous health benefits of consistent walking. And really, it's about you discovering how to set small goals, maybe finding a walking buddy, changing your scenery, and many more things to help you stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals. Everyone experienced days when motivation wanes. That's for sure. And the thought of lacing up your shoes for a walk can feel like a monumental task. It's easy to get caught up in the struggle, which can lead to missed workouts and a sense of failure. And that's a bad place to feel. This can quickly spiral into a pattern where walking regularly becomes more a challenge than a habit, impacting both your physical health and your mental well being. So, the impact of inconsistent walking habit. When you skip walks, you miss out on many benefits such as improved cardiovascular health, enhanced mood, increased energy levels. And inconsistent walking can lead to decreased fitness level, weight gain, and even heightened stress or anxiety. Additionally, the guilt and frustration of not meeting your fitness goals can further demotivate you, making it even harder to get back on track. So, here's some practical strategies to boost your walking motivation. Set small, achievable goals. And many times I find that this is so simple that people ignore it. It's a very, very powerful way to stay on track. And on days when your motivation is low, set small, manageable goals. Instead of aiming for a long walk, commit to a 10-minute stroll. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and once you begin, you might feel motivated for a longer walk. And that actually happened to me about a month ago. I was feeling tired and I just wasn't feeling like going for a walk, but I did decide to go out for a very slow stroll through the park. And that day, I actually ended up exceeding my 10,000 step goal for the day and did roughly about 15,000. But it didn't feel like it because I was just moving at a slower pace. So set small, achievable goals. Use a walking buddy or a friend or a walking partner. Have one some to walk with you. Really, not only provides accountability, but it also makes it more enjoyable. Social interaction can definitely boost your mood and distract you from any of the reluctance that you may be feeling at that time. And change your scenery. Sometimes a change of environment can reignite your interest in walking. Explore a new trail, a park, a neighborhood. The novelty of new surroundings can make the walk feel like an adventure rather than a chore. And we did that on the weekend. We went to the forest, to the Bruce Trail, and we got out for a walk. It was muddy, it was slippery, but it was a lot of fun because it was a change of scenery. So you may enjoy listening to music and podcasts. Create a playlist to your favorite upbeat songs or your most interesting podcasts. Listening to something engaging can make your walk more enjoyable and help you pass the time. And it can also help you learn new and different and interesting things. This is an important one, and again, it doesn't seem so, but track your progress. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to track your walks. Realizing your progress over time can be extremely inspiring. Celebrate the milestones, no matter how small, to remind yourself how far you've come. And visualize the benefits. Remind yourself of the positive outcomes of walking. Visualize how great you'll feel after completing your walk, both physically and mentally. Sometimes focusing on the end result can provide you the push to help you get started. So by implementing these strategies, you can stay motivated, consistent, which is important with your walking practice, even on the days when it feels particularly challenging. Consistency is the key to reaping the long-term benefits of regular physical activity. And these simple techniques can help you maintain your health and your fitness goals. So we hope you like this video. Um, what are the other topics that you'd like to see and hear about? Your feedback is invaluable to us. We'd love to hear from you. Please share your comments below this video. And we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's build health and fitness together. We invite you to join our newsletter and receive our complimentary wellness report. We'll put the link in the notes to this episode. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Bye for now. Enjoy.